Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to create walls. First, draw walls with various types based on the imported base drawing image. Step 1. Select Wall from Architecture tab, under Build panel. Or type WA. Step 2. Select a wall family. If you do not have a wall type from the properties, add by clicking Edit Type and duplicate from a wall type. For Eames House, we will use Curtain Wall 1. Retaining -12 inches concrete. Interior 4 7/8 inches partition. Interior 6 1/8 inches partition. Soffit 1/2 inches GWB and metal stud. But, the wall details will be modified, and custom walls will be added later in this tutorial. Step 3. Confirm base constraint, and top constant. If needed, set base offset and top offset. Step 4. Specify location line. Step 5. If the wall is other than a straight line, specify a line/shape type, circle, arc, rectangle, inscribed polygon, or ellipse. And draw lines to cross-reference of the imported base drawing image. Step 6. Make dimensions DI for verification purposes. Step 7. Confirm the added walls with 3D view. I hope this introduction tutorial clarifies how to create walls. Thank you.